I must start baking the fresh pie now. I must start baking the fresh pie now. You must wear an apron in the kitchen. You must wear an apron in the kitchen. He must wash his hands before touching food. He must wash his hands before touching food.
I have to find the old recipe book. I have to book. I have to find the old recipe book.
We must not spill flour on the floor. We must not spill flour on the floor.
You have to measure the sugar carefully. You have to measure the sugar carefully. She must crack 3 fresh eggs. She must crack 3 fresh eggs.
I must melt the butter now. I must melt the butter now. You must not waste any milk. You must not waste any milk. He has to chop the red apples. He has to chop the red apples.
I have to add cinnamon today. I have to add cinnamon today.
You must mix everything very well. You must mix everything very well.
She has to roll the smooth dough. She has to roll the smooth dough.
I must grease the pie dish. I must grease the pie dish.
You must not tear the dough. You must not tear the dough.
He has to fill the crust now. He has to fill the crust now.
I have to preheat the warm oven. I have to preheat the warm oven.
You must trim the excess dough. Trim the excess dough.
She must crimp the pie edges. She must crimp the pie edges.
We must not burn our hands. We must not burn our hands. I have to brush egg wash on top. I have to brush egg wash on top.
You have to cut small vents in the top.
That meat to rat making.
You have to cut small vents in the top.
He must place the pie inside the oven. He must place the pie inside the oven.
I have to set the kitchen timer. I have to set the kitchen timer.
You must not open the oven door often. You must not open the oven door often.
She has to wipe the counter clean. She has to wipe the counter clean.
I must wash the dirty mixing bowl. I must wash the dirty mixing bowl. You have to dry the wooden spoons. You have to dry the wooden spoons. He must sweep the kitchen floor. He must sweep the kitchen floor. We have to prepare fresh tea. We have to prepare fresh tea.
I must boil water in the kettle. I must boil water in the kettle.
You must not touch the hot kettle. You must not touch the hot kettle.
She has to set teacups on tray. She has to set teacups on tray.
I have to check the baking pie. I have to check the baking pie.
You must take the pie out carefully. You must take the pie out carefully.
He must place pie on cooling rack. He must place pie on cooling rack. We must not cut pie while hot. We must not cut pie while hot.
I have to pour hot water into teapot. I have to pour hot water into teapot.
You must carry the tea tray to garden. You must carry the tea tray to garden.
She has to carry cooled pie outside. She has to carry cooled pie outside.
I must slice the delicious pie now. I must slice the delicious pie now.
You have to serve tea first. You have to serve tea first.
He must place plates on table. He must place plates on table. We must not drop pie slices. We must not drop pie slices.
I have to taste fresh pie. I have to taste fresh pie.
You must try this warm tea. You must try this warm tea.
She has to enjoy sweet dessert. She has to enjoy sweet dessert.
And I must thank my lovely partner. I must thank my lovely partner. We have to clean up together. We have to clean up together.
We must bake another pie soon. We must bake another pie soon.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Click the button and hit the bell.